Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by quickly ensuring prerequisites are in place so the update won't stall. First, verify your Mac model supports Big Sur and note the current Mac OS version. Next, make a full-time machine backup or a bootable clone. Once done, free 2035 GB of disk space. Make sure your Mac is on AC power and a strong internet connection, prefer Ethernet. Finally, open System Preferences, go to Software Update, and click Download to start the process. You'll now manage the core of the update, downloading and staging the installer. Let the download complete fully. Big Sur installers are multiple gigabytes and may take time. When the installer runs, you might see a firmware update prompt and a request for your admin password. Enter it promptly. Monitor the progress bar and installer stages. Make sure your Mac does not sleep or lose power, and do not disconnect external drives. If progress pauses, be patient. Background preparation steps can take. You'll complete the update by allowing the system to restart and run installer tasks. The Mac may reboot several times. Do not interrupt. After login, follow the Setup Assistant prompts and then open System Preferences to run Software Update again to catch incremental patches. Update App Store apps and check privacy, camera, and accessibility permissions so apps work correctly. If the Mac won't boot or apps misbehave, one key troubleshooting tip is to boot into safe mode to clear caches or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.